Okay, it's Friday, June 9th. Just following up on Meta, you can see here after buying it above the first bar, 15-minute bar high here, anticipating the high of yesterday would be approached and taken out. We're just about there. So I bought those options, the 260 calls at 820. I scaled out at 9 to set up a no risk trade, and I just scaled out more at 975 as we're near that first target here. The options are up to kind of the 950, 965 area. So I just scaled out. Total no risk trade now. The remaining position, I'll just kind of see, if we break through yesterday's high and continue. Now it's a 2-up day. So that means we could have some kind of target up here if the day really wants to stay strong. The tricky thing here is the SPY that I've been tracking for a long time has just reached its target. Which we'll get into later. But at this point, even though we could still head higher and the structure is set up to do so, we're kind of now at any moment at some potential exhaustion risk. I'm not saying there's going to be a major reversal right here. You never know, for sure. But we reached our target. So we'll get into that on more of a recap video, what that all means, depending on how today ends. But stocks are acting real strong. Meta continuing up even higher right now as it's moving up. You can see, the options are asking, 990, almost close to 10. But anyway, it was a good trade here. To take, after buying the calls here on the first bar high, when it broke out above the pre-market high and first bar high, to kind of look after this green day to kind of head up towards its first target here. When you see a green day like this, after a pullback, you kind of expect follow through to the upside, and we had an opportunity with the stock opening lower and taking out the pre-market lows. So we'll see how much higher it wants to go today, knowing that at this point, there's a lot of exhaustion risk potential out there, but you just got to still follow price action to see how that all unfolds.